Hi y'all, so today I'm going to show you how you can add in a button that you've created either on PowerPoint or Google Drive into your images files, and then how you put that into a page on Canvas. So first you need to go to the page you want to edit and get into the rich content editor, and then you're going to add it here. So you're going to, usually it's going to open in the links, and you're going to scroll over on the right hand side to the images, and then you're going to upload a new image. So I'm actually uploading a second grade button that I have um, for the students meeting. So we're going to do second, open, and we're going to put second grade, and your button is going to go wherever you were clicked on on your pages. So since I was clicked here, it's going to put it in here. And these buttons are not all the same size. I have a video on how I'm going to make them the same size. Just go to that video. It's called how to make the buttons the same size in your canvas, or how to resize the buttons. So go check that out. I'll link it below too. But now you've uploaded it into your page.